Yo, my name is Kyle Easter with Jump15.com, and in this video we're talking double unders, and specifically how to increase the amount of double unders that you can do. If you've been wanting to increase your numbers but you're stuck at that 25, 30, or 50 and you want to get to that 100 plus mark, but you don't want to sit there and just practice regular double unders forever because you're like me and you find it freaking boring. Well, I got you covered then. In this video, I'm giving you 4 different double under variations that are gonna wear you out 10 times faster than normal double unders. And these are not just gonna help your endurance, they're gonna help your rhythm, timing, agility, and all around coordination. Which means when you go back to regular double unders, they are going to be a piece of cake. And you, yes you, if you can't do double unders or you think, oh, these are gonna be way too hard for me, you can do these same skills in single unders. Boom, problem solved, no excuses. Let's do this. All right, go give those 4 double under variations a shot, and I guarantee they're gonna help take your endurance to a new level and just make regular double unders a piece of cake. So, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button below. I so do appreciate it. And subscribe to the channel so you will be notified of new videos coming at you every week. Thank you for watching, and I better see you in the next one.